is here with my first video, and it's on Pixel Car Racer. I have been playing this game quite a lot. I'm level 22 I think, but today I'm joined with my friend named Absolute Gamer, but yeah, and I will show you some things for this first video. But firstly, Absolute Gamer, say hello.
Hi.
Okay, so today I'll be showing you what's in like my car, and I'll be doing some races and stuff. So let's do this. Okay.
Also, whilst Kerem's not speaking, go subscribe to my channel, Absolute Gamer. I post Pixel Car Racer videos, Clash Royale and stuff like that. So just go subscribe. At the moment I'm recording a video called Project Car. I've just bought this car, which I'm not going to say because Kerem's uploaded this video way before I'm uploading the Project Car video. But I just bought this car, which I'm not saying. But go check it out on my channel. It'll probably be up on Thursday. Yeah. But yeah.
Okay, so now I'm back. So my other friend named Ryan, I opened this thing at school and I got this Ready P6 OE 24K gold, and he said to me, "Oh my god, that's rare." And so he said, go check the store." And so I went like this, went onto that, went inventory, and I was like, "Oh my god, it says 4 million." So yeah, so I'll give you my tour. So I have no details. I'm not gonna put that lazy boy because it just makes it look ugly. I've got then I've got the Demolisher wing, pretty good. I've got like just a normal seat, and then I don't know how to show you that, and then I've got neon green paint on the car. Next, I've just got the stock engine that gives you then for my wheels. I've got VX Modular SG. I think that costs about. No, it didn't cost me anything, did it? Because I got it out of the box, and I'm not sure if you can buy it on the store. Next, I've got the turbo, which is the one that I just showed you. And then here, I'll show you this. Got no brakes, because. And then tyres, I just got the basic ones. And then the suspension, I just got the normal one. For this, I got the PR intake, which is decent. I've got the ECU, but just a normal stock one. I've got the stock pistons. I've got the VX R-Type for the cooler, the intercooler. Then for the exhaust, I've got the Max Power titanium thing, which costs, I think, 300k. So I'm gonna go do some races. Did you actually? Sick. Okay. Yeah, this is the race. After the stupid ad. I can just cut it out though, can't I?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I just had to cut that because ad came up. So we have to heat up the tyres. The car's not that fast. I think the maximum speed of it is 188. But I think the car that I'm going to put all my parts on it, except for the Rocket Bunny, because I like the Rocket Bunny on that car. I'm not going to sell the car that I'm using now. I'm just going to keep the Rocket Bunny on this car if I don't like it on the car that I'm going to buy.
What car are you going to buy?
The 1.2 million one that I told you about it earlier.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
Oh, I just got a box. No,
Yeah.
22. I'm gonna open a box now and show you guys. Okay, Should I do XP or cash?
I do. What is your XP on?
12.
What is your cash on?
10.
Cash then.
Yeah, let's do the cash. Okay, let's go into garage. Ooh, didn't mean to go into race.
Oh, I
Garage.
just got a box.
Okay, box. What did I get?
Oh,
Yo,
no,
I got
box, my
trim.
box.
Oh, I just got tremblers. I can't speak.
What are they? Wheels?
No, brakes. So I'll equip them.
Oh. I'm gonna see what I got now.
I have 771k.
I just got lime green paint.
Oh, really?
Wait, actually no.
Okay, I'll show you guys the car that I'm gonna get.
It sells for 76,000.
Blimmin' hell. Yeah, I'll go all the way to the car what I'm gonna buy. Oh, it takes ages because there's so many cars. I'm gonna buy this car.
Oh, Kerem, look at this. Quickly.
Yo, it's awesome. Oh, by the way, me and Absolute Gamer on FaceTime together. That's where you can probably hear him. If you can't, sorry.
Oh, now we've got another 91,000, which I can
This car
spend on my
can only
car.
sell for 6k, but it's decent for the starter car. Let's do some more races. Should I? Because I usually do beginner races. Should I change to the next one?
Yeah.
I'll do this after this race. I'm not sure if Absolute Gamer said this because I just went downstairs, but you should go subscribe to him and go subscribe to some other friends and my other channel. My other channel is called Kerem. You should go subscribe to one of my friends named his YouTube channel is named Brian Conbeer. Then you should go subscribe to who else has YouTube channels? William Leonard. I don't know what his YouTube channel is, but yeah, just go Will Leonard, and I'm not sure if anybody else has any YouTube channels, but yeah, go subscribe to those 3 channels, please.
32k.
Yo.
I might sell
Get ready. Oh, flip, false start.
Did you actually?
Yeah. Oh, God.
That.
It's my first false start, like, in ages.
Right.
Stupid ads. Okay, so it's taking so long. Brr.
Oh my god.
Oh God, that's loud. Just. Okay, so guys, I am on my next race.
Kerem, how much do you get per race at the moment?
12k.
Oh, fair enough. That's decent enough.
So guys, hopefully I can win this race. Yeah, perfect. Right one, let's see how much XP I get. 800! Actually, I'll show you.
Oh, I get 1,000. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I get 1,000.
Really?
I get 18,000 cash.
Yo. The guy's got, the person I'm going against has got another car that I like, but...
The person I'm going against has got a really, really nice car.
Really?
Kerem, do you know another series I'm gonna build on my channel.
What?
My dream car.
Really? Yeah, I might do that. I might do like what you're doing and then what you're doing right now and then yeah.
I'm not actually recording at the moment, but
No.
I just got a box.
Did you? Ooh. Okay, next race I'm gonna do I think it's amateur. I'm not sure. Okay, drag, free run, amateur. Yeah, let's go. I want to amateur now. So, ooh, my person's got his car.
What do you mean amateur?
Like it goes beginner, amateur, then expert, I think.
Oh, what? So you're trying harder races?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I've got.
Wait, why isn't it letting me go fast?
Because you probably need to change gear.
Oh yeah, that's why.
Wait, you're using gears now.
Yeah, it's making me use gears now. It's making me use gears. I'm really bad with using gears. Okay, that was such a bad. I might go back to beginner now. Heat your tires. Ooh. Yes, I'm in the lead. Oh no. That was such a bad race. I'm still getting
You might
people.
want to stop recording now.
Okay. This has been quite a good video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
That's gonna be so long.